Yeah, this shit ain't sketchy at all. Don't make a wrong move. One wrong move with this pack, oh shit, and I'm a goner. RP. Finally coming down this mountain. He's been walking up it all morning. Yeah, I bet it will. And it's wet. Okay, we're going back up it. Jesus, give me strength. So good. The wind's blowing today. We must be half billy goat or something, because Lord. This shit ain't no joke, y'all. Oh, I see a white blaze all the way up there. They're far and few between. Oh, shit. On our way to Unicola Gap to around the Bend Hostel. RP's got a package, and I think I got my room there for the night. Really didn't particularly want to stay in the hostel, but I'm not going to be in with the mix of the crowd. I'm going to have my own room.